In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view files in a conversation in ChatGPT. This is a quick way to see any attachments that have been shared in a specific chat, so you can revisit documents, images, or other files without scrolling through the entire conversation. Start by opening the conversation you're interested in. Make sure you're inside the exact chat where the files were originally shared, because what you're about to open only shows items from that one conversation, not from your entire account. Once you're in the chat, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small three-dot icon there. This is the menu for more options related to the current conversation. Click the three dots to open the menu. A short list of options will appear. From here, select View Files in Chat. That choice takes you straight to a dedicated place that lists the files associated with this conversation. It's designed to be a tidy overview, so you don't have to hunt through each message to find what was previously uploaded. After you click View Files in Chat, you'll see the files that have been shared in this conversation, typically showing their names and sometimes a small preview depending on the file type. This view helps you quickly confirm what's been shared and keeps everything grouped by the specific chat, which is especially helpful when you're working on multiple topics or projects at once. If the list is empty, that simply means there are no files currently attached to this conversation. Nothing is wrong, it just indicates that no one has uploaded a file here yet. In that case, you can continue your discussion as usual, and if someone shares a file later, it will appear in this same view. A couple of quick tips for clarity. The three-dot icon may also be labeled as More Options depending on your interface, but it's still in the top right corner of the conversation window. And remember, this view reflects only the files shared in the chat you've opened. If you're expecting to see something and it doesn't appear, double-check that you're in the correct conversation where the file was originally uploaded. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, click the three dots in the top right, choose View Files in Chat, and review what's there. It's a simple, reliable way to keep track of shared materials and stay organized while you chat.